Hi, this lecture is about IoT technologies and we are going to start with RFID. RFID is a radio frequency identification. RFID chip holds information about the object and the things. The RFID chip is attached and transfer data to the reader. Now the RFID on the antenna on the RFID module is used to receive energy that is used to operate RFID device and transmit information back to the reader device. RFID enables efficient management, tracking and monitoring process, and therefore it's important in logistic and supply chain applications. RFID research and development is focused on stream of data support, chip design, energy uses optimization, automatic meter reading, home automation applications, vehicle and transportation application. Wireless sensor network are also very important to IoT. Efficient, low cost, low power device and for use in remote sensing application is very important. Low power integrated circuit and wireless communications are essential. A large number of intelligent sensors collect raw data and create valuable data by processing, analyzing and spreading data. Now challenges are related to limited processing capability and limited storage, and sensor data sharing for multiple device cooperation is very important challenge. For advanced IoT services, IoT network may need to collect, analyze and process segment of raw data and turn it into the operational control information. Therefore, advanced IoT services will need to support of cloud computing. Numerous IoT connections will be made to various devices and sensors. Many IoT devices will not have PC or smartphone level sufficient data processing capabilities, or they won't have interoperability functions. Therefore, IoT application will need support from reliable, fast and agile computing platform. IoT devices can overcome lack of software, lack of firmware, lack of memory, lack of hardware, lack of data processing capability through cloud computing. Now, cloud services models such as software as a services SaaS, platform as a services PaaS, and infrastructure as a services IaaS are the services model that can support IoT technology. In other words, whatever software the IoT devices doesn't have, then SaaS is a software as a services can provide it. Whatever database system that the IoT network does not have can be supported by platform as a services. Whatever virtual machine or whatever processing that needs to done by infrastructure as a services can provide that for the IoT network and IoT devices. Many IoT devices have small memory and limited processing and limited communication functionality, and also they are battery operated. So IoT require integration of multi-technology network to a common IP network platform, and therefore IP version 4 and IP version 6 protocols are used in a IoT system. Support addressing management and scalability requirements is also a part of protocol. This is very important and useful for the large data transmission. IoT will have significant influence on future internet architecture by using big data and cloud computing. Now, IoT services must guarantee the security, privacy and integrity of information and users' confidentiality. So therefore, some of the key features are things authentication and authorization. User authentication and authorization is also most important part of an IoT. Now, what is this about? The IoT network is therefore now what things wants to be transmitted, what object can operate, or we are going to allow data to be collected from source to destination. In addition, when a control signal is sent, what things are we gonna control? Exactly which what things we want to control, that is one of the most key feature in IoT. This need the authentication and authorize information from source to destination. In addition, what users will we allow access to our IoT network to look at the data that is sended and collected, and also control the object and the things which is gonna transmit from source to destination. Well, the users need to be authenticated and authorize all the data which has been transmitted over a IoT platform. In addition, things to things access control, as in machine to machine access control, is also possible. Whatever the information, whatever the things can transmit, can also access and control by machine, the from which the data has been sent and to which the data has been received. So this is the access control by using things to things and machine to machine system. This is very important aspect of an advanced IoT. In addition, for security, IoT public key management and IoT private key management is very important. In addition, IoT low overhead protocol and IoT low complexity processing is also very important in advanced IoT system. In addition, mobility support is also a part of a IoT system, because if the node is portable or movable, then it has to be conscious or authenticate that the device has to be support with all the data processing. Mobility support increases the applicability of IoT to a new area. Now, mobile platform based on IoT enables an enormous range of future applications, such as LBS is nothing but your location based services, social networking, and environmental monitoring and interaction. In addition, energy and resource management is also a part of advanced IoT system. This is very important issue. Now, energy issue are related to optimization of energy harvesting, conservation and uses, and also are essential to the development of IoT. It is important to consider resource constrictions such as wake up delay, power consumption, and limited battery are also a part of packet size. Then the other is identification technology. Another important area is included in the IoT. IoT devices produce their own content, and the content are shared by any authorized users or a device. Identification or authentication technologies need to be covered and interoperated at a global scale for the authentication of a data or authorization of a data, such that global user use IoT devices far away and in future also. Management of unique identity for things and handling of multiple identifier for people and location is very important. These are the few things about the IoT technology. I recommend them to use such type of authentication and authorization in IoT technology. Thank you very much.